Yes! Yes! You're finally here! What the heck? Kyle.
Oh man, dude, I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
I got some lunch.
Oh, wow. Okay.
We can split the sandwich.
Did you cut it in half, or are we gonna like?
You wanna grab a knife?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
No mustard.
Ooh. Looks like Josh is getting ready to have some lunch. And nobody cut his sandwich. Good thing I'm here. Welcome, Josh. Okay.
Did you cut the sandwich?
No,
or-
I was just, that's not what I had in mind. You had the knife.
This wasn't me.
Kyle.
Okay.
Alright, one more project today. Fix the roof real quick. I think it's stuck.
Hey, Josh.
What's up, Kyle? Dude, frick, Kyle. We gotta talk, man.
Oh, do you want to thank me for all the help?
Thank you for what?
All the help, man. I'm here to help again. Look,
Dude,
you got this.
you're stuck here.
No, don't cut it.
Dude, what is going on today?
You're welcome.
Josh seems pretty mad. Wait a minute. I know what'll cheer my buddy up. A little whittling project. Oh yeah. This will be done in no time.
Kyle?
Hey Josh.
Dude, we gotta talk, man. Today was out of line.
Before we get too far, I'm sorry. I realized I went too far. I was really excited about this new knife, man.
I'd say.
Yeah, and to make it up for you.
What is this?
Yeah, I wanted to make it up to you. I made you this cool. I know how much you like butterflies. Butterfly box, man. Yeah, I whittled it with the new knife.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is
man.
special. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're welcome, dude.
You're
I'm sorry.
forgiven.
I'm sorry about all. I'm just excited, man. You know how it is when you get a new knife.
Look at this detail.
I know. I know.
Thanks, Kyle.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
All is well.
Awesome. Now we need to get this knife sharp again so we can cut some more stuff. One of the cool ways we figured out around here is to use our precision adjust and set it up like I'm going to start sharpening it. So I've got it clamped in. I'm ready to go. What's nice about the precision adjust
is the angle is set here from 30 to 15 degrees, and this lead screw goes by single degree increments. So all I need to do is look down the bevel of the knife, set my sharpening abrasive on the knife itself, and then work my way down until I see that sharpening abrasive contact the bevel in a way that it's lined up. And it looks like this one is at about 20 degrees. And now I know what the factory angle is on this knife. If I want to check both sides, it's really simple. I just push here and flip it over. And I can check the other side as well just to see where that's coming in at, which looks like about 20 degrees. All right, so now that I know what the factory angle was on that knife, now I get to decide how I want to sharpen this. Do I want to keep that factory angle? Let's say if I'm using the knife for some various tasks, I might want to go a little bit wider angle, like to like a 25 degree. Makes it a little bit more utilitarian to where when I'm trying to cut rope or something like that, it's not going to dull as quickly. Or a fun thing I like to do with some of my knives is do the back half of the knife with more serrated type of edge to it, where I leave like kind of a toothy finish on it, and then at the front of the knife do more of a polish, so where I can do that fine work, like get in there and slice my buddy's notebook to pieces, or cut up his sandwich, or whatever you want to put that knife to work on. That's the question you want to be asking yourself right now. How am I going to use this knife, and how can I best approach it to get the most use out of that edge? So for this knife, what I am going to do for my preference is kind of what I alluded to earlier. I want to have a toothy edge toward the heel of the knife, where I'm doing a lot of my heavy cutting and things like that, and then I'm going to leave more of a polished edge out towards the tip of the knife. So get into showing you how to do that. I'm going to leave the angle at 20 degrees. I think that worked really well, so I'm not going to mess with that, and I don't want to remove any more material than I have to from the knife. What I'm going to start with is the 320 grit diamond, and I'm going to sharpen all the way to the belly of the knife on both sides. And then I'm going to switch over to the ceramic and just hone the entire knife. So that'll give me that refined edge out towards the tip and leave me that toothy edge I'm looking for down through the belly of the knife. All right, guys, I got this knife about where I want it, I think. Ready to do some testing on it with the best tester, so I'm going to go ahead and get it out of here. All right, got the best tester out here. Let's see where we ended up. 244, so really happy with that already. That's back in the belly where we did that coarser work. Might even be able to get a better score out towards the front, but I'm stoked about how this turned out and ready to put this knife back to work. Let's go see what other trouble we can get in.